this is Andrew from the First Fret Lessons, and today I'll show you how to play this great arrangement of classic blues standard See That My Grave Is Kept Clean by Blind Lemon Jefferson. This is the arrangement by guitarist, one of my favorite acoustic blues guitarists. Really great, but really underrated in my opinion. This version of the song is my personal favorite, and it will be great to teach you how to play it. If you like this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and let's go. So if you're familiar with the Travis picking, finger picking, or you played some classic Delta blues songs, you won't have much problems with it. However, if this is the first blues you're trying to play, you may find it difficult at first, because basically what we do is play two different parts. We play one of them with our thumb, we play this constant bass, and you have to combine them. Your thumb moves all the time, it never stops. It's like a metronome. So once you realize that, it will be much easier for you to play these kinds of songs. First of all, let's go through the bass line. I'll show you the separate bass, and I highly recommend you playing it first. So it goes like this. It starts on the G chord, and we play our 6th and 4th string with our thumb. Be sure to mute them. You don't play it like this. It sounds really wrong, as you can hear. So, G, C, G, 2 times. Then we go to the C chord, and then we have short F chord. Like this. And then we go back to the G. So, up to this point. We stay on G chord. And at the end of the verse we got some really unconventional chords for a song like this. We got a B flat chord, but we play only these 3 notes from the 4th string. Then this part of the C chord, and we go back to the G. Okay, I'll go through all of this slowly. I'm gonna hum a little so you can understand where we are, and of course you're going to see the tab. As I said in the beginning, if this is your first time playing a song like this, I really recommend just playing this and only this part. Turn on the song and play along with it. Just try to be consistent with your thumb. Alright, let's mix it up now. We start on the G chord. As you can see, our thumb never stops moving. Then we go to the C chord and back to G. As you can see, we turn our C chord for a C7 for a second. And This is really typical of the blues songs like this. And here's a really cool lick guitarist always plays on his live shows. You make the hammer on the second string, and he really accents it, he really punctuates it. Not like this. He makes sure you can hear it. This is the beginning of the verse. Then we go to the C chord. One more time. Here's our F chord. This is the only part of the song where this F chord shows up. And what we do, you have to play the bass with your thumb and the same notes on the high E string. Then you do this. Bass on the 4th string and 3rd fret on the B string. And we go back to B. And then we play the same lick. Then one more time. Then we do this intro lick and B flat two times. Then we play this. This is basically a C chord, and you start all over again. Okay, let's play through all of this really slowly. 1, 2, 3. There are a lot of variations you can do here. For example, we used to play this note, basically a minor 3rd for the G chord. But you can play the same fret on the 2nd string. It sounds really great. Sometimes instead of playing this lick, you can just play like this. Very small bends on the 3rd fret. Just experiment with it, you know? You can add different notes, you can remove them. Just listen to the recording, listen to the Guy Davis live performances and figure it out. I gave you the basics, you gotta try it on your own. Okay, now I'm going to play through this song a little faster. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.